Hi everyone, this is Naveen. I am welcoming you all to Sadhananaveen's Science Academy. In the lesson Life Process, today in this class we will discuss about respiration in plants as well as respiration in human beings. First, we will discuss about respiration in plants. Respiration in plants. Do the plants respire? Yes, plants respire like us. It intakes oxygen like us. Plants also intakes oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Plants intake oxygen and release carbon dioxide like all the organisms. You should believe it. But during the photosynthesis, this process will be reversed. During the photosynthesis, plants takes carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Remember it. Only during the photosynthesis, plants takes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. But normally, plants, like other organism, takes oxygen in and releases carbon dioxide. Very important point. You should remember that. During the photosynthesis, this process will be taking place. During the photosynthesis, plants takes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen through a small opening called stomata. Already we learned in the previous classes, stomata is a tiny opening. Stomata is like a nose to the plants. Stomata is like a nose to the plants. Through the stomata, plants exchange the gases. Remember, uses of the plant, uses of the stomata. During the night, during the night, we should not sleep under the tree. During the night, we should not sleep under the tree because during the night, no photosynthesis takes place. Plants like us releases carbon dioxide. By inhaling excess of carbon dioxide, we may die. So, we should not sleep under the tree during the night. Most of the village people says that there is a devil in the tree. During the night, it kills us. But truth, the scientific truth is that during the night, plants do not perform photosynthesis, so they release carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide flushes on our face, we inhale carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide percentage increases, we die by vomiting a blood. So we should not sleep under the tree during the night. That's all about respiration in plants. Plants respire in the normal time, oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. During the photosynthesis, plants takes carbon dioxide in and releases oxygen through a small tiny opening called stomata. During the night, we should not sleep under the tree. If we sleep under the tree during the night, due to the excess of carbon dioxide, a person may die. Any doubt? Okay. Now, respiration in humans. Respiration in humans. First, respiration start from nose. Nose is the respiratory beginning. We have a nostrils. What we have? Nostrils. There are two nostrils. That nostrils is a air filter. Nostril has a air filter, that is in the form of airs. You know, there are airs in the nostrils is to filter the air and avoid the entry of dust. Next, mucus. There is a mucus. Mucus also works as a airs. It also filters the air and prevent the entry of a dust, smoke, unwanted material into the respiratory system. Look at the God creation. God has created a very beautiful filter in the form of a nose. Any doubt about nose? Nose has a two nostrils. Nostrils has a airs and mucus. They both filters the air and prevent the entry of dust, waste materials, mud and insects into the respiratory system. That is why we should respire through the nose only, not through the mouth. Any doubt? And there is olfactory epithelium. It helps in smelling. After the nose, it goes to windpipe or trachea. After the nose, it goes to windpipe or trachea. You think it is a nose? Nose to windpipe. Windpipe or larynx. Nose, larynx. It is a C-shaped cartilaginous tube. C-shaped cartilaginous tube. From this, air enters to the trachea. Next, windpipe to bronchis. There is a branch in the windpipe called bronchi. Branch in the windpipe called bronchi. Bronchi has many branches. Bronchi has many branches called branchioles. They are called branchioles. Each branchioles ends with small balloon-like structures called alveoli. What we call it? Alveoli, a balloon-like structure. What is alveoli? It is a structural and functional unit of a respiratory system. A balloon-like structure is called structural and functional unit of a respiratory system. We have a two lungs. How many lungs we have? Two lungs. Left side lung is smaller. Left side lung is smaller than the right side because it should give a place to the heart. That is why left side lungs is smaller than the right side. Next, there is one muscular layer. One muscular layer called diaphragm. Next to the lungs, there is a muscular layer called diaphragm. It separates chest from the abdomen. Muscular layer called diaphragm. It separates chest from the abdomen. Now function. What happens when you inhale the air? It enters to the nose, goes to the nostrils, filters in the nose by airs and mucus. It enters into the windpipe. Is it clear? Through the windpipes, it goes to the bronchis. To the bronchis, it goes to the bronchioles. Bronchioles to the alveoli. You think it is a alveoli. You think it is a alveoli. Blood enters into that. Blood is rich in Carbon dioxide, lungs is rich in oxygen. There is a exchange of gases. In the alveoli, blood exchange the gases. Lungs rich in oxygen, blood rich in carbon dioxide. There is a exchange of gases takes place in the alveoli blood vessels. There it is, alveoli blood vessels by a process called diffusion. Remember, by a simple diffusion process in the alveoli, oxygen from the lungs enters into the blood, carbon dioxide from the blood enters into the nose, to the lungs. Diaphragm, when it goes down, diaphragm, when it goes down, the pressure of the lungs releases. So we inhale. As diaphragm goes down, we inhale the oxygen. Is it clear? As diaphragm goes down, we inhale the oxygen because lungs get free. And when diaphragm moves up, we releases carbon dioxide. When diaphragm goes up, pressure develops on the lungs and we put out carbon dioxide. In this way, our respiration process depends. Any doubt? If you like this class, please share and subscribe.